Hi everyone, my name is Jacey Heuer and welcome to my course, Data Analysis with R Shiny, the R Playbook. I'm a data scientist in the retail industry with a background in the energy industry and financial services. When it comes to generating value for the organization with data science projects, many data scientists face a key problem in the deployment of these projects. R Shiny is a package in R that solves this deployment problem faced by many organizations by creating easy-to-use web applications in R. In this course, we're going to cover many of the brilliant features of R Shiny. In this course, we will discuss obstacles faced by organizations in the deployment of data science projects. We will demonstrate the basic components of a Shiny app. We will spend some time building interactive visuals in R Shiny, and we will walk through some of the ways to actually deploy the Shiny app into the organization. By the end of this course, you will have a great foundation in how R can be used to help deliver a data science project to the organization. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with R programming in RStudio. I hope you are excited to join me on this journey to learn data analysis with R Shiny, the R Playbook at Pluralsight.